Are you having fun?
Yep. You know he is. He's fucking around the whole time.
What about you? You having fun?
This is cool as hell.
You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Last day, guys.
Anything, yeah.
I
It's
know.
all good. This has been great.
Documentation.
Hey, that's what I'm doing right now. Remember, this picks up sound, too.
Oh, yeah.
What's up?
Did you bring any beer?
No, we didn't bring any beer.
We suck.
Yeah, the only bad news, hearing all this running water,
Nope.
makes me want to go.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna find a place. Usually it's down there somewhere.
Yeah.
I should have brought my sunglasses. It's fun as shit, boys. Hey, did I hit your kill switch?
Yes.
Did I really?
Yes, I had to start my bike.
3 for 3, boys. I got you all. I shot everybody down. I got them.
Hey, Tony, stand right there. Yeah.
Take a picture or video?
It's a video, baby. You're live. It's not Memorex.
So anything that happens is on video.
It's on video,
Hey,
baby.
get out of there. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I didn't want to hit you too hard.
Yeah, no shit. Don't you owe him one? I did. I got it.
Oh, somebody, look at it and go, how the hell did they get over there? I don't even want to know.
I do. I want to go. Over there?
Here, hold this.
Sure, yeah,
In the background here.
Hey, Michael, come here. Come out here a little more. We got trees in the back. Gotta be pretty my photos. I ain't photos, video. Alright, word. My hair is a 1/4 inch long, yet I still feel like I have helmet hair. How's that?
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
We're definitely coming back in the fall, baby.
Be awesome.
We're going to make fall plans.
Get in there, man. Work it. Car coming, gonna get ran over.
If that's what gets us run over this trip, we're doing this stuff.
Oh yeah. Hi guys.
All right, I need to get 3 of your boys over there. You guys got to turn around and smile like you're having fun on this trip. Not that buck teeth squirrel thing. All right, squirrel, you and your nuts, man.
Don't talk about my dad.
That is pretty freaking cool, man.